Hey guys, it is actually, we are opening surprise eggs with my...
Hey everyone, today we're going to strange foods and some surprise eggs.
So basically she said, hey everyone, we're going to open some surprise eggs up today. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started.
Let's go start it. Let's go start it.
Are you so excited?
So excited.
Okay, wait, not yet. We're going to open up a balloon surprise egg at the end. Stick around to watch part 2. Here's your first egg.
Okay.
It's all on you. Ariana, look at the camera. She's opening it. What did you get? Let's take a look. What did you get?
What's that?
It's a little pet shop. Okay, so guys, what we got here is a LPS. Comment down below if you have this and give it a like.
One more.
No, 3 more.
Okay.
Please subscribe to my channel. I have other little pet shop videos and other, actually only one other surprise egg opening video. But thank you guys for all the support with that one Build-A-Bear Workshop video. It got over 100 views. I'm so excited. Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. What did you get, Ariana? Show everybody what you got.
I want
Wait. Show everyone what you got.
Monkey.
What did you get? Show it to the camera.
What's that?
Put it right here. It's a monkey. Comment down below if you have this cute little monkey. And now, we're on to the third one. It's all on you. What are you opening?
Surprise eggs.
While she's doing that, I'm going to make another surprise egg. Show everyone what you got. Show everyone what you got, Ariana.
Okay.
Show everyone. Look. Show them. Say, here. Hey, everybody, look what I got.
What have got?
She got a dice. I got a lucky 6.
Surprise eggs.
We are. We're doing a surprise egg video right now. This is her second one.
Second ones. Second ones.
Ooh.